a warrant will issue. I'm not going to play this game with you again.
Okay, good. I'm so confused right now.
Really?
This hearing wastes no time. The defendant insists she's been following the rules. Ankle monitor confusion, housing claims, even a PTSD support kitten in the mix. But the judge must decide, is this compliance or another excuse?
Really?
Yes, sir. Can I please explain?
Mr.
Okay.
Mireles.
Yes, very much so. Because whenever I left here, I went downstairs and I thought the ankle monitor would be put onto me downstairs. Nothing was put onto me, but the hair center showed up. I went directly from here into custody with the hair center, and I've been at the hair center. On the 13th, I was still at the hair center, apparently when the warrant went in for my arrest, and I was still with the hair center. I got released from the hair center because I found housing. I've left the hair center, and then I got picked up on the street because I got a little kitten for my PTSD. She went in between a fence. I had to go over the fence to get her. When I got her back into her kennel, and I had my kennel with me when the officers was checking me. I had no drugs, no nothing. And then they said I had a warrant, and I was very confused because I haven't done anything. And at the Harris Center, I was with them the entire time. I told them about the ankle monitor to please check on it, and they said they would get a hold of me, and if there was, they would set me an appointment to go get it. Nothing was ever done. And if you could please call the Harris Center, they'll tell you what I'm telling you is the truth. I haven't done anything.
I got a different report.
From who? From the Harris Center?
Did we not, Lori?
We did.
Okay.
The story spirals, custody transfers, housing changes, and a missed ankle monitor fitting. On paper, it sounds like bad luck. But in court, missing conditions looks like defiance. Judges hear excuses every day, and credibility is everything.
Did.
Okay. You know that you're telling me something over here.
I promise that's exactly what happened.
I got information from the hair center themselves that says it's over here.
What? What did they
You
say?
didn't go turn yourself in. That you didn't go do what you're supposed to do.
I did. I was at the hair center. I've been at I was at the hair center.
You can contact to see if the hair.
Please,
center
yes.
is there on
April
the
is my
hair
care
center.
worker. April's my care worker. She'll know.
Hold on.
I don't understand how that's possible.
I don't want to keep you in jail for the sake of keeping you.
No, I know, sir. I've been doing good. I've been doing everything. I've been trying to make you proud. I did what you said.
See,
I promise.
you're going to reach out to the hair
Okay, I
center.
promise. I swear.
Verify.
April knows who I am. She's my care provider. I have all my paperwork. I have everything.
Okay. Hold on a second. So
Thank you.
have him back for a second. Take your time. There's
Okay.
no rush. Deputy Bo, do you mind? We're going to check now, Mr. Mireles.
Okay.
We'll see.
Okay.
I'll bring you back out when we have a result.
Thank you for listening.
Of course.
No.
I don't either.
The judge wants to believe her, but conflicting reports from the Harris Center tell a different story. Here's the legal reality. Even minor missteps like this trigger warrants. Intentions matter less than documented compliance.
But the thing is, Judge, I'm feeling that it's a felony trespass only because it was during a state of emergency, so it was made a felony. I didn't know that that's how that worked. And then the other is the PCS you picked up with the DWI.
Let's bring her out, and then I'll bring her out next, and then we'll figure out. Okay. Mr. Mireles. So when you get there, what's the situation when you get there? You're housed and you stay there, correct?
When you get there, they only have, where I was, jail diversion is for about 14 days at the most. If you're active and you're searching, which I was, if they see that you are actively searching and doing what you're supposed to be doing, they can help you if they don't find housing for you in between those 2 days. I was managed to find housing, so they gave me my discharge paper and I was able to leave to go to my housing, which is
Therein
temporary.
lies the problem.
Huh?
You're supposed to stay. You're
No,
not.
They tell them when they can leave.
Yeah, they discharge you.
They discharge you from the Harris Center. He got discharged because he got housing.
Yeah, and I got housing, so I went to my housing. I might have lost my housing now because of this misunderstanding, but I can go back to the Harris Center and have them re-help me again to get back, because it's a volunteer.
The housing that you're going to.
The housing that I was at was in the Heights, and it's
Living with who?
I stayed with my younger sister first, just to, she's pregnant, but it's not with her anymore. I was going to be staying with the what is it called? I forgot what it's called.
So the housing, you basically get to choose. Is that what you're telling
No,
me?
no, sir. You have to apply to them, and it's called Magnificat. Magnificat is who I was going to be staying with. It's called Magnificat Housing, and they only provide you for 8 days. because
Stable
this is
housing is more than comfort. It's proof she's not drifting back to the streets. Transitional housing, sister's home, Magnificat program. It all sounds promising, but without verification, the court sees risk, not progress.
8 days because this is a transitional housing. This is to get you into a place as best as they can. It's not permanent, but it's transitional. You go with them, you stay with them, and you get you hopefully into something in between to be
So where's the
permanent.
long term?
They don't do permanent at the center. If you want to get permanent housing, you just have to hopefully keep staying with.
It's gonna happen after 8 days.
Huh?
Happen after 8 days.
You pretty much use, as long as you keep doing what you're supposed to be doing, you can stay with them. And that's what I was doing. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do as long as they show that you're out looking for jobs, you're out looking for housing, you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, not just abusing the free housing, then they'll work with you to get you into another one as fast as possible or to stay with them longer because they don't like it's.
Am I able to verify that you're actually staying at a place?
I can keep in touch.
I'm not gonna
with
take
you.
your word for
Oh,
it. So
I can keep
I
in
need to
touch.
actually speak to someone.
Huh?
I need to speak to someone to know what you're doing, where you are. I'm not going to take your word for it.
I can keep in touch with you. I can just have someone from the hair center. His name is Greg. Greg is who's helping me get my housing. He can keep in touch with you. I can give him your number, or we can have
His
everything.
phone number.
Everything I have is in my paperwork, and they took everything. When they arrested me, they took everything away from me. I had nothing. I couldn't get anything. The only thing I had was my little cat that they took from me.
Don't worry about a cat at this moment.
No, she's in my
Worry about
PTSD.
yourself
Yeah.
first.
Well, she was recommended. I got her because I have bad PTSD. So they recommended I go get a PTSD animal, and I got him.
Are you telling me that where you're gonna go for 8 days, they're gonna let you have a cat?
Yeah. Yes, it was their idea. It was their idea to get a PTSD animal because I have very bad PTSD. So I went and I adopted a little kitten, and he helps me a lot. He's a reason to stay in good shape to get everything together. He's beautiful.
I commend you. I just want to know.
It means a lot to us. I mean, he's very beautiful. You should see him. He's like my everything, and they took him away from me. That's the only reason I want to get back out there right now. He's at the SPCA, and I don't know why they took him from me.
Understand.
He's
And I
really
want you
beautiful.
to
He's a little
do
gray
well.
kitten. He's awesome. His name is Green Beans. I promise I was making you proud. I was doing everything to make you proud. And I had to get back out there to get him. And I want to get back into housing.
Then comes the emotional curveball. Her PTSD therapy kitten, Green Beans, was seized. Tears and desperation fill the room. But here's the hard question for viewers. Should courts weigh emotional attachments like pets when deciding compliance, or stick strictly to legal
Into
requirements?
housing. It's tearing me apart to know that they just ripped them from my hands like they did. And I was doing everything that I was supposed to do. I don't want to lose them.
All I want to do is just verify what you're telling me.
I promise. When I get to the center, I can have, because that's the only place I can go. I have to go back to the center because I can't lose my housing. I can go back to the center and I can have April call you immediately and get in touch with you. She was actually.
See, Mr. Mireles, listen. I want them to contact Lori.
Okay.
As long as we can verify you're doing, know where you are, where you're staying, and that you're not out on the street, I'm happy.
Okay.
All I want to know is that you're not on the street.
No, I'm not. I'm not on the street at all.
I know you're going to tell me though. I know you're going to tell me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods,
No.
but it's not. I've been through this before.
And they can verify I'm not, because the second that I am on the street, I go straight to the hair center. I don't want to be on the street. The hair center is amazing. It gives me great food, housing, everything. And the whole point of them is to get out of homelessness. That's why I'm doing this.
That's
I
why
can't be on the
I
street.
have you here.
Yeah.
Because from what I understand, you took off, and that's not what I want to happen. I want you to stay in touch with Lori.
Okay. I can only do so much. My cell phone got stolen literally just a couple
You're not listening.
Okay.
Stop and listen.
Okay.
I want you to stay in touch with Lori.
Okay.
And I want Greg to be able to verify with her where you are at all times.
Okay.
If in 8 days I don't hear anything, because I'm writing everything down that you're telling me,
Yes, sir.
in 8 days I don't hear anything, a warrant will issue. I'm not going to play this game with you again.
Yes, sir. I understand. Okay.
Before you leave the jail, you will have an ankle monitor on you.
Okay. That's fine.
You must stay in touch with Lori.
I will. Yes, sir.
This is it.
Okay.
The judge lays down final terms. Ankle monitor, constant check-ins, and proof of housing. One misstep and a warrant issues. Compassion shows, but accountability rules the day. This is her absolute last chance.
So redo the PTI to release to the hair center again?
Release to the hair center, same gig as last time.
Okay.
No release on his own to the hair center with a GPS.
Okay.
All right,
Pre-trial.
Hey. Make me proud.
I am. I promise.
See it. Go get your kitty and make me proud. Oh, wow. I'm so proud of you. I am so,
And
I am so proud of you. Wow. Yes. I'm so happy to see you.
This case highlights a fragile balance between compassion and accountability. Housing programs, therapy pets, second chances, all weighed against strict probation rules. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
You. Wow. Did you get your kitten back?
No, I gotta get I'm gonna go get her after that. I'll get her after this green bean.
Get your kitten. I'm so happy to see you. I'm really just, this is just wonderful.
Yeah, I
So
just,
you're doing great, man. Really.
yeah, I just got to Magnificat this morning and they let me come here and I gotta go straight back over there to get my house.
I got a Q card for you, give me some money. when you leave.
Hey,
Oh, thank you.
I'm so happy to see you. I'm just really, it's really, this is great.
Judge, what we wanted to do is to see if we could
can
just
do it.
like reset him.
I don't care
to-
what you do. I
You
don't
wanna
care.
take him take a drug test today?
Yes,
And
it's the
then-
only thing I would like to do.
And then you wanna reset him, but since he doesn't have a phone, his phone situation is off, like, how many weeks do you wanna reset him?
Whatever you want. I
Okay.
don't care. Just, you're doing great, man. Just keep it up, stay with Lori, and good things are gonna happen for you.
Right, thank you.
Okay? Good job.
Go have a seat. It's gonna be a
Wow.
Sometimes just having someone to believe in you is enough to take the next step in life. Judge Fleischer has done it again, and this guy's faces a reward all in its own. Judge Fleischer isn't determining his worth by how much he can make or what he can contribute to society. Judge is doing his part to protect the people he serves. While I don't agree with a lot of what these judges do, I understand that they have a better understanding of the cases than I could just by watching the court every day. They live it. I think society benefits by this guy having hope for tomorrow. He may never be completely independent, but he made it through the day and has hopes maybe he can get his cat back. And hint to animal control, he'll take any cat, just give him one. He just needs something to love him and appreciate him. He's missing that in his life. Thank you guys for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.